So, galing na tayo sa IKEA and surprisingly, yung gusto naming mangyari, we'll add extra layers para magkasya lahat ng gamit. Puro siya nakahang. Kumukuha sobra ng space. And, nakakatawa. Kasi ang nangyari, nawala lahat ng gamit. Look. Nawala lahat ng gamit. At now, may kumuha na ng space. So ayan, sobrang daming nakakaalat. Our shoes, our stuff. We have 2 cabinets. Medyo marami po na, pero paulit-ulit lang naman yung sinusuot namin. So hindi nagagamit o hindi namin na ma-maximize yung supposedly gamit ng room. Kailangan naming mag-decide kung paano namin ma-maximize yung space. And the best way to make it, dapat matulugan kasi now it's a bedroom, it's not just a walk-in closet. And 2, dapat ma-store yung sobrang daming gamit natin. And paano natin yun gagawin kung maglalagay pa tayo ng bed, maglalagay pa tayo ng cabinet.
Abang nalaman.
120 po, tapos
1. Pero asa yun? Saan yung pinakababa? So, gagawin na natin yung sofa bed. And napansin ko, sobrang daming tumitingin ng sofa bed na ito. Ang pangalan niya ay Hemnes. Tama ba? I-share ko na lang kung paano namin siya install para you have some idea. Kasi, nung sinat-up namin yung cabinet, marami talagang mga bagay na kailangan mong i-refer sa guide. So, to help you, just in case you are more visual, and you want some guide, I'll help you guys by setting up the Hemnes bed. So, the Hemnes bed, meron siyang 4 na boxes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Before mo bubuksan lahat, para hindi ka malito, kunin mo sa sticker yung number 1. Ayan ba yung number 1? First are like that. Meron ganyan. Yun lang yung hanapin nyo. And then, set up nyo na. Guys, update. Yung nasa guide, yung mga hinahanap nyo na pinaka first step, hindi siya sa box number 1 na hanap. Nakuha siya namin siya sa box number 3. So, 3.
4 to.
Box number 4. Dapat gano'n. Ganito to. Dapat itong patay gumagawang Lego. Yun din sabi ko kanina sa intro. Parang ano.
Pero yung Lego, mas organized pagkagalit sa packaging.
Yeah.
Kasi yung experience,
IKEA, naririnig yung number 1 customer nyo na
sa
sinareklamo.
experience ko kasi yung Lego, yung pinackage na kunyari number 1,
Yeah.
yun talaga yung build mo magkakasama.
True.
Ito kasi parang
So, ito kasi, meron siyang 4 boxes. Yung isang box, naka-label na 1. Pero yung first step na gagawin mo, hindi mo makakuha sa first box. Nakuha namin siya sa 3rd and 4th box. Tapos, yung second step, ilalagay mo to lahat. Itong sa gilid. Merong gray. Ayan o, yung gray. Meron ding white. So, hindi rin nakasulat sa guide kung that part, white na ba yung ilalagay mo or green yung ilalagay mo.
kailangan check mo yung shape doon sa manual.
Shape lang yung basehan mo sa manual. So, may hirapan ka dyan, panoorin mo na lang to. Sa step 2 na tayo. Tapos, screw lang natin lahat. Meron kaming tools, hindi namin nakuha. So, manual namin. Ang galing. Lagyan mo ng ganito. Lahat, mga
Saan nilalagay?
Ano? Mabutas.
Pasok na pasok na.
Oo, kasi... Tsaka si... Right back, right front. Alright, malapit na tayong matapos. We're bringing the surfboard back inside. Pero lalagyan muna natin siya ng special effects. Wow, special effects! We got this LED light. For 50 or for 5 meters, 60 watts per hour lang siya. And na iilawan niya na yung buong room. So, this is going to set the vibe inside. That's how it looks like. Igilid ko. So, instead of buying a lamp, nilagyan namin ng ilaw yung surfboard. And ganyan na siya. Super cute. Pero I'm tired. Tomorrow na tayo pakita ng result. Hello guys! Natapos din natin yung room and sobrang nakakatuwa kasi we thought matatapos natin to in just a span of day. But it took us several days, actually weeks, I think, kasi merong mga parts na hindi available. But I'm so happy that we are able to transform this room into a livable place, livable space. We are, may bago akong natutunan, sabi, you make space for more life, or you make space not for more stuff, but you make space for more life. So if you remember, dito yung cabinet natin before, but we let go of all the cabinets and ito na yung cabinet area natin. The cabinet is may cabinet meeting ba? So, patayin ko yung ilaw. So, ito yung cabinet natin. Meron na siyang door and I'll just close the lights. Maliwanag naman. So, ito yung cabinet. Apparently, yung cut namin is not diretso. So supposedly, it will be a sliding door. But sayang naman yun sa taas. 2 cabinets, pero parang isa lang siya nakalagay. We did it ourselves. Okay, pasok. We did it ourselves. So, ayan yung ating cabinet. Kaya ko pinatay kasi naglagay pa tayo ng ilaw dyan. This is all from IKEA. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang dami naming jackets. Ang init-init naman sa Pilipinas. But this is all polos, hoodies, jackets. Diyan natin nalagay lahat. If napansin nyo, we have two stock of jackets kasi mas mabilis siya pag naka-hanger and mas konti yung space na kinukuha niya. But they should be at the same place kung saan siya nakalagay para hindi siya kumukuha ng space. Kasi before we have nakahiwalay yung before namin na cabinet, nakahiwalay itong dalawa. So, there's 2 cabinets from here and here, which is ang daming space na nakukuha. And hindi na natin ma-maximize yung space. Kasi nga marami space na nakuha na. Paulit-ulit. This space, ito yung original plan namin because we have a lot of stuff and then kulang kami ng shelves. So, supposedly, yung plano namin going to IKEA is just to get shelves actually. Para magkasya lahat ng shirt namin. But what happened was we are able to get help with IKEA. Pwede kayong pumunta doon. Get your dimensions for your room and they will be able to help you plan kung ano yung mga pwede nyong ilagay according to your needs and your budget, of course. So, ito yung nangyari. Pakita ko lang. So, meron na tayong shelves for our black shirts, white and colored shirts, our pants. Temporarily, our caps are all there, our shorts are there, and ito, konting painarte. para mag-level up naman yung ating place. So, our watches, andyan na siya lahat. And then, our shades, andyan na siya lahat. So, mabilis na siya gamitin, hindi na nagkakawalaan pag kailangan ng gamit. So, this side, isa talaga sa pinakamahirap namin store is our shoes. Kasi medyo, hindi ko alam, parang octopus siguro. But here, this side, meron na tayong yung map. Ito actually nawalan na to ng space pero nagamit siya namin ulit. Nilagay natin dyan. We hang all our tote bags para mas mabilis. Ang surf skate ko na hindi ko na masyadong ginagamit, so we use it as a decor din. Pero if anytime we like to use it, it's all there. And then the shoes. And on this side, ito yung ating bags. Diyan pa rin siya nakalagay pero inayos na namin. And then this one, kinda out of touch but mahirap na siyang galawin dyan. So we'll just update this soon pag meron ng budget or meron ng tayong maplano. And then this huge surfboard. Ito yung ating natural light. Mag-open natin yung ating blinds. Maliwanag naman yung room. Super liwanag actually. But let's close this. And then pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi instead of buying a floor lamp or instead of buying additional things na magpapasikip, magpapamahal, we add up this one na ayaw umilaw. Bakit? Look at that! Look at that! So, yung surfboard, nilagyan na natin siya ng LED light sa likod. Here. And ganyan na yung effect niya. Whee! Super nice. Super nice. And one more thing, this is the highlight. This is the very special thing na kailangan nating mag-add ng bed dito sa ating place. So we got this Hemnes, I think. Yeah, Hemnes yung name. It's a sofa bed from IKEA na napu-pull out. So this is the sofa bed. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, may storage din yan sa baba. And this can sleep one pag nakatago siya, and then 2 to 3 pag naka pull out yung bed. So it's very easy. Just pull these things up and then there's a lot of storage as well sa baba. Two foams and then ayun na. Ganun yung itsura niya. It's very straightforward, very easy to use, very convenient, very hard to install. Akala namin mabilis lang, but IKEA, please be more specific with your guides kasi medyo mahirap talaga yung guides niyo. So, if you guys are planning to do this, meron naman tayong konting i-share na information dyan or dito sa video na to, and I hope you're able to watch it. So, ito na yung entire room. I'll add some details later. Super nice, super cute. All of the details here are our personality. Surfboard, our hobbies are here. Even our childhood are here. Ating new addiction, pickleball. Our collectibles. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you so much for staying with me, guys. And it has been a long time since nakapag-upload tayo ng video like this, like home improvement. So that is all for now. Hopefully, nakatulong. And I hope na meron pa tayong ma-post na videos like this. I really enjoy doing DIY projects at home. Naayos na natin din yung ating terrace, which will be on a different video. But thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have other video suggestions, let us know. Or kung paano pa natin ito maayos, just let us know. And ayun, thank you. Bye!